Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll try to fix if the audio recording when you record a video using OBS Studio is not that clear. Means right now, just for you to show you, I'll be just clicking on the start recording here. So let us just test the voice now. What I'm speaking right now, actually the video is getting recorded at this moment, and I'll just stop this so I can show you the voice. So I can go to the show recordings, and here I'll play this. Let us just test the voice now. What I'm speaking right now, actually the video is getting recorded at this moment. And okay, see, the voice is not that clear, so there is a lot of disturbance. For that, what you can do is you can just plug in your earphones, not with the Bluetooth. Okay, don't connect wireless earphones, just connect the wired earphones to this 3.5 mm headphone jack. What if this jack is not available? You can use this adapter, which is C type to 3.5 mm headphone jack. I'll be just opening this. This is just around under 200 rupees, and the one I am showing you is, see, this one, alien aux cable. Okay, if there is directly jack available, you can just plug into 3.5 mm headphone jack. If it is not available, you can just plug into the C port available on your computer, laptop. You can just plug in. Means basically, if you are using a desktop PC at that time, if you want a video recording, you can use this cable. Okay, anyway, that C type may not be available. You need to purchase something like USB A type to this 3.5 mm headphone jack. Either you can connect here or directly you can connect here. For this tutorial, just connect this. Yeah, now I just connected these earphones, and now I'll try to record the screen. Start recording. Okay, now I'll try to record my voice along with the video, and definitely I observed there is a huge difference when recording with the earphones. Means now the input which the OBS Studio takes is from the audio from this wired earphones, not from the speakers or the mic of this laptop. So the input voice is taking from this wired earphone. So now the clarity will be definitely different. So I'll be stop recording this. Not only OBS Studio, for that matter, any screen recording software or audio recording software. So I'll be going to show records, and here I'll be double clicking on this. I'll try to record my voice along with the video, and definitely I observed there is a huge difference when recording with the earphones. Means now okay, see here, now this you have connected, right, the earphones. Now the input should be from this wired earphones, means your earphones, not with the internal speakers of this laptop. For that, what you can do is, before start recording this, you need to click on here at the sound setting. Just click and click on the settings here. This will open the sound settings. Okay, click on this and click on this. Okay, what you can do is, now you can click on this Windows logo, then click on the settings. Under settings, click on the system here. Remember, this is Windows 11 operating system. Okay, then click on sound here. Here what you can do is, volume mixer is there, right? click on this volume mixer. Under volume mixer, check for the OBS Studio. This should be always in default and this should be in default. And here, if both are in the default, as soon as you connect input device, see, I'll be plugging this out. It is microphone array, means which is laptop speakers. As soon as I connect this, that's get changed. Okay, as soon as I connect this, it's saying like external microphone, and your OBS Studio should be default. And now try to start recording something, and now whatever I speak is now getting recorded through the earphones what I have plugged in here. So the voice now is getting recorded from these wired earphones instead of this laptop. So I'll be stop recording this and I'll be going to file and show recordings, and this is the what is this? I'll just check the time. It's in 40. This one I'll be plugging this out, and now whatever I speak is now getting recorded through the earphones what I have plugged in here. So the voice now is getting recorded. Yeah, so now if your earphones are good enough, the voice quality would be very good. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.